My, what do we have here? Something was just delivered today. United Postal Service, priority mail. I wonder what it is. Oh look, it's a box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Ready for the big reveal? Does this head look familiar? Them casting flakes though, those gotta go. Gonna have to fucking polish that up. But otherwise, immaculate. This is our little test subject. Yep. Sorry for the 110cc motor. That's gonna have to wait for a different build. You jealous? Now, if you already have a Phantom motor, okay, you could pay for the chop top service. What they do is they take your cylinder and they chop this fucking crappy top part off, okay, and they keep this part. Now, this is a version 1 jug, so this motherfucker will work. Once I polish it up a little bit inside. Maybe get me a deburring kit and go to work on this bitch. Now you all know what's next, right? Can attach this to the motor. Not right now though, but gonna attach it to the motor with the piston rings. Redo the crank rod and shit. And then gonna get the Smolik Performance fucking engine head to go on top of this bitch. And then we're gonna see what kind of fucking power I'm gonna be playing with. So, I know y'all's is fucking jealous. Because I paid big money for this. It was no measly $75. I actually sent the fucking head in and paid the $75 service or whatever the fuck it was. Plus extra to have them chop the fucking top of the engine head off. So, thanks for watching, and don't talk shit about my motorized bicycle builds. Okay? Thank you. Bye.